Hello students, we continue the examples in the miscellaneous exercise 6. It is a miscellaneous exercise 6. Okay. We already discussed the 7 examples. Now example number 8. Find the Cartesian equation. Find the Cartesian equation of a line passing through the point A1, 1, 2 and perpendicular to vectors B bar I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap and C bar 3I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. Okay. Now here see carefully. We want to find the equation of line. It is the Cartesian equation of line. To find the equation of line, we know that the passing through point and the parallel vector. That means passing through point and the direction ratios of that line. Okay. Here it is given that the line passing through this point. We want to find the Cartesian equation. Therefore, it is the x1, y1 and z1. Now we find the direction ratios of that line. That means a parallel vector to required line. But here given that these two vectors are perpendicular to line. These two vectors are perpendicular. Then we know that the cross product of these two vectors is parallel to the line, and the component of the cross product are the direction ratios of required line. Then we know the direction ratios and passing through point. Then Cartesian equation is x minus x1 upon a equal to y minus y1 upon b equal to z minus z1 upon c. Okay. Now here it is a line passing through point. Here given that line passing through point A 1, 1, 2, that is x1, y1 and z1. It is 1, 1 and 2 here, and line perpendicular to the vectors B bar I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap and C bar 3I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. Okay, that is line parallel to B bar cross C bar. Okay, line parallel to the vector B bar cross C bar. Now first we find the vector B bar cross C bar, and the components of the vector are the direction ratios to the parallel vector. Okay, that means direction ratios of the line. Therefore we can find B bar cross C bar is equal to, it is I cap, J cap and it is K cap. Now 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, minus 1, and therefore it is I cap into minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus J cap into minus 1, minus 3, minus 1, minus 3, and plus K cap into, it is a 2 minus 6, 2 minus 6. Therefore B bar cross C bar is equal to minus 4 I cap. It is minus 4, that is plus 4 J cap and minus 4 K cap. Okay, here it is a B bar cross C bar vector it is. Therefore, the direction ratios of line are -4, 4, -4. Okay, here these are the direction ratios. So we take -4 common, or it is 1, -1 and 1. We take -4 common. That is, the direction ratios of the line A, B and C are 1, -1, 1. 1, -1, 1. And therefore, Cartesian equation of line. Cartesian equation of line is x minus x1 upon A is equal to y minus y1 upon B is equal to z minus z1 upon C. And therefore, it is x minus x1. It is x1, y1, z1. 1, 1, 2. X minus 1 upon 1. Y minus 1 upon -1. And z minus 2 upon 1. It is a Cartesian equation of line. Okay. Here, this can written as also it is x minus 1 is equal to minus y plus 1 is equal to z minus 2 is also. Okay. In the objective question, it is sufficient. It is a Cartesian equation of line. But in the objective, out of 4 options, if this option is not in the 4 option, that this can be written in the form of this. Okay. Now we see the next equation, next example. Next, again same example. Find the Cartesian equation. It is the 9th example. Find the Cartesian equation of line passing through 2, 1, 3 and perpendicular to lines, perpendicular to the lines x minus 1 upon 1 is equal to y minus 2 upon 2 is equal to z minus 3 upon 3 and x upon minus 3 y upon 2 and z upon 5. Okay. Now here last example and this example is the same. In the last example, question is find the Cartesian equation of line passing through point and it is perpendicular to the two vectors. Perpendicular to the two vectors. Here, given that the perpendicular to the two lines, see carefully, perpendicular to this line and perpendicular to this line. Here, perpendicular to this line, that means the required line is perpendicular to the line, it is I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Okay. Here are the directions of this line. Therefore, the vector I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap is perpendicular to this line. Okay. And this also minus 3i cap plus 2j cap plus 5k cap is also perpendicular to this. Then their cross product is parallel. Okay. Here, see carefully. Given that line passing through point, line passing through point it is x1, y1 and z1. It is 2, 1 and 3. Okay, and required line perpendicular to these lines. Okay, here and here given lines. Given lines are x minus 1 upon 1 is equal to y minus 2 upon 2 is equal to z minus 3 upon 3. It is equation number 1. And x upon minus 3 is equal to y upon 2 is equal to z upon 5. It is equation number 2. Here line 1 and 2 are the perpendicular to the required line, but here the vectors, it is say b1 I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap, and b2 it is minus 3I cap plus 2j cap plus 5k cap. It is b1 I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap and minus 3I cap plus 2j cap plus 5k cap. It is a b2 are parallel to line 1 and 2 respectively. Okay, therefore b1 and b2 are perpendicular to required line, and therefore we can write b1 cross b2 is parallel to required line. Okay, now the cross product is a vector parallel to the required line, and then the components of the b1 cross b2 are the direction ratios of required line. Then we know the direction ratios, and it is a point is given, then Cartesian equation of line. Now here see b1 cross b2, b1 bar cross b2 bar is equal to I cap, j cap and it is k cap. b1 1 2 3 1 2 3 minus 3 2 5. Okay, take the cross product. It is I cap into 10 minus 6 10 minus 6 minus j cap into 5 plus 9. It is 5 and plus 9 and plus k cap into 2 plus 6 and therefore b1 cross b2 is equal to, see carefully, it is 4I cap minus it is a 14 j cap and plus 8 k cap. Okay, therefore direction ratios of required line are 4 minus 14 8. That is A, B and C are here 4 minus 14 and 8. We take 2 common, therefore it is a 2 minus 7 and it is 4 are the direction ratios of the required line, and therefore Cartesian equation of line is x minus x1 upon a is equal to y minus y1 upon b is equal to z minus z1 upon c, and then it is x minus x1 y1 z1 2 1 3 x minus 2 upon a, it is a 2, y minus 1 upon minus 7 and z minus 3 upon 4. It is a required Cartesian equation of line which is perpendicular to these two lines. Okay, required line perpendicular to these two lines, that means perpendicular to these vectors I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap and minus 3I cap plus 2j cap plus 5k cap. Perpendicular to these two vectors, that means parallel to this cross product, and the components of the parallel vector are the direction ratios of required line. We know the direction ratios and passing through point, it is the equation of line. Now we see the next example. Next example, find the vector equation of line. Find, next question, it is a question number 10. Find the vector equation of line passing through the origin and intersect the line x minus 1 y minus equal to y minus 2 equal to z minus 3 at right angle. Now we want to find the vector equation of line passing through origin. Okay, we know that the equation of line, okay, vector equation of line are in the two form. R bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar. That means we know the passing through point and parallel vector. Here passing through point it is given, but parallel vector is not given. Another method is equation of line passing through 2 points, that is r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda into b bar minus a bar. That means we know the 2 points on the line. That means line passing through 2 points. Okay, here we want to find the vector equation of line, and vector equation of line in these two form. Okay, first line passing through point and parallel vector, and line passing through 2 points. Okay, here given that line passing through origin and intersect the line at right angle, that means required line and this line are the perpendicular to each other. Okay, here suppose it is a required line passing through point O, it is origin, and this is a given line. Here this is a given line, and given line it is x minus 1 is equal to y minus 2 is equal to z minus 3. Okay, it is a given line. Both lines are the perpendicular to each other. Now we know that the origin, okay, we want to find the equation of this line passing through origin. Therefore we know the 2 point on the line or the direction ratios of line and 1 point. Here 1 point is given. Then this is the foot of perpendicular. Okay, say it is a m. Okay, OM. Okay, O required line passing through point O and M. When we know the coordinate of point M, then we find the equation of line passing through 2 points by using this equation. Okay, now, and we know that how to find the foot of perpendicular from a point to a given line. Okay, we know the this article. Okay, here we want to find the foot of perpendicular from origin to this line. Okay, that means this point. Okay, therefore we know the direction ratios of this line. Here x minus x1, y minus 2 and z minus 3. Here upon 1 and it is upon 1. Okay, direction ratios of this line, it is 1, 1 and 1. Okay, and m be any point on this line. M is any point on this line. So we find x, y, z, the coordinates of any point on the line, that is the foot of perpendicular, and using the condition of the perpendicular lines with the direction ratios a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2. The relation between two perpendicular lines, it is a1, a2 plus b1, b2 plus c1, c2 is equal to 0. We know this point. M is any point on this line and the direction ratios of this line are the given. Okay, now here see, here given line is, it is x minus 1 is equal to y minus 2 equal to z minus 3. Okay, here upon मध्ये काहीच लिहिलं नाही, म्हणजेच काय upon 1. Therefore we can write here x minus 1 upon 1, y minus 2 upon 1, z minus 3 upon 1 is equal to say lambda. It is equation number 1. Okay, its direction ratios. 1, 1 and 1. Okay, therefore A1, B1 and C1 is equal to 1, 1 and 1 are the direction ratios. Now we find the any point on the line. Therefore we can write x minus 1 is equal to lambda, y minus 2 is equal to lambda, and z minus 3 is also lambda. Therefore it is x is equal to 1 plus lambda, y is equal to 2 plus lambda, and z is equal to 3 plus lambda. Therefore x comma y comma z is coordinates are 1 plus lambda, 2 plus lambda and 3 plus lambda. Be any point on line 1. Okay, this line xyz. Now let m x comma y comma z be foot of perpendicular drawn from origin O to line 1. Here m with the foot of perpendicular drawn from origin. We want to find the coordinate of m and O, and then we find the equation of line passing through point m and O. Therefore direction ratios of OM are direction ratios. O, it is a 0, 0, 0. Okay, here we can write here coordinate, it is 0, 0, 0. Okay, coordinate, it is direction ratios of OM. O and it is m coordinate are 1 plus lambda, 2 plus lambda and 3 plus lambda. Therefore 1 plus lambda minus 0, it is 1 plus lambda. 2 plus lambda minus 0, it is a 2 plus lambda. Okay, we can write step by step. Here 1 plus lambda minus 0, 2 plus lambda minus 0 and 3 plus lambda minus 0, and therefore A2, B2 and C2, it is 1 plus lambda, 2 plus lambda and 3 plus lambda. Okay, see carefully. Now OM perpendicular to line 1, and therefore you can write A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0. A1, it is 1. 1 into 1 plus lambda plus 1 into 2 plus lambda plus 1 into 3 plus lambda is equal to 0. Therefore 1 plus lambda, 2 plus lambda and 3 plus lambda is equal to 0. Therefore it is 3 lambda. See carefully, lambda lambda 3 lambda, and it is 6 is equal to 0, and therefore lambda is equal to minus 2. It is the value of lambda, and therefore coordinates of m are, it is m, coordinates of m x, y, z, it is 1 plus lambda, 2 plus lambda and 3 plus lambda, and lambda is equal to minus 2. Therefore 1 minus 2, it is a minus 1, 2 minus 2, 0, and 3 minus 2, it is 1, are the coordinates of m. Now we want to find the vector equation of line passing through point m and O. Now position vector of m is, it is a m bar minus I cap plus k cap, and position vector of O is O bar 0 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 0 k cap. are the 2 points. Okay, therefore vector equation line passing through points O and M is, see carefully, R bar is equal to O bar plus lambda into M bar minus O bar. Okay, we know the vector equation of line. R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda into B bar minus A bar. There are the 2 points O and M, and therefore R bar is equal to O bar, it is a 0. Therefore lambda M bar minus A bar, it is minus I cap plus K cap. It is a required equation of line passing through origin and perpendicular to this line. Okay, here to find the equation of line, we want to know the passing through point and direction ratios of line here, or passing through 2 points. Here passing through 1 point, we have find the second point and then find the equation of line by using passing through 2 points. Okay, here see carefully this.